G'day, welcome to the Simple Cooking channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make bumblebees. These are really yummy, nice and healthy, so let's go. Simple Cooking Channel. Get a large mixing bowl and get some dried apricots, cut them up into smallish pieces, so it'll be about 1 cup you want of that. Then you want half a cup of dried apples, cut them up into small pieces. You may be able to buy these already cut up. Then get half a cup of walnuts and half a cup of almonds, put it in a food processor and process so it's quite fine, but you want to have still some little pieces. Chuck that in there. Then add 1 cup of sultanas. If you don't have sultanas, you can use raisins. Then add 1 cup of desiccated coconut, and then add 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. That'll be about 395 grams. Now just mix this together until it's well combined. Alright, now just get about half a cup to 3/4 of a cup of desiccated coconut. Just put it in a bowl or something. Roll these in a ball and then roll them in the coconut and then place them on a baking tray. You get that, roll it, yum. Just place that on the baking tray now. Now just pop these in the oven at about 180 degrees Celsius, which is about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now you're going to want to bake these for probably around 20 minutes. Alrighty then, they're done. Now just leave them to cook and transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely because they will be really quite hot. Well, I hope you like these. Yeah. Oh, this is so good. I'll see you next time for my next meal. Simple Cooking Channel.